Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to remove a video background in CapCut on PC. So here on my computer I've got CapCut open and I've got a few video clips, and I'm going to show you two different methods to remove the background from a video in CapCut on PC. So first, I'll drag this clip of the lady talking onto the timeline, and the first method will only really work for human faces or human figures in the video clip. So with this clip selected of this woman talking to the camera, if you go over to the video tab and then click on cutout, here you have this option called auto cutout, and like I said before, only human figures can be cut out. But if I go ahead and click on this, it'll start processing the clip and automatically cut out the human figure from the background. Now once the auto cutout is completed, you can see the background has disappeared from this clip and the woman is still clearly visible in the shot. So what you can do next is add another background to this video clip, and I'll just add this background to the timeline, and then I'll just move this first clip up one layer so the woman talking is in front of that background. And then I'll just select this clip and make it bigger so it stretches out the whole shot, and also click and drag so it extends to the full duration of the clip. Now if I go ahead and play this clip, you'll see the original background has been removed and I've added another background to this clip. So that's the first way that you can remove a background from a video in CapCut on PC. And I'll just go ahead and delete these clips. And the next method you can use to remove the background from a video in CapCut is if the video has a green background or a green screen. And I'll just go ahead and drag this clip to the timeline, which is a subscribe button with a green screen. And with this clip selected, you can go to the video tab again and then click on cutout. And then you want to click on this option that says chroma key. And once you've selected that, you can click on this ink dropper next to color picker. And once you've clicked on that, you need to select the color on the video clip that you want to remove from the video. In this case, it's a green screen. So I'll click anywhere on this green part. And once I've clicked on that, you can see it's identified the green color. And now you need to use these two sliders to remove the green screen. So first I'll click and drag on the strength slider until I see most of the green has disappeared. Let's just set this to 100. And for the shadow, let's set that to around 30. And now if I go ahead and play this clip, I have a subscribe button with no background. And now I'll just add this clip of the woman talking again, and then overlay this subscribe button on top of that clip. And let me also just make it a little bit smaller and then move it on the screen. And now if I go ahead and play this clip, that subscribe button is overlaid on top of the other clip with the green screen removed. If this guide helped you out, please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.